Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today I wanted to share with you how I finally fixed those dull knives you probably saw me chatting about on Instagram with the help of KnifeAid. Now, KnifeAid is this company that they offer this service, which is crazy to think of by mail, but they offer knife sharpening by mail. And I actually met them through my husband, who connected to them because he was so just genuinely interested in this concept. We were watching Shark Tank and he thought KnifeAid looked really awesome, and that's how we first noticed them. And so he connected with them, and they sent me a kit to put the knives in, and then I dropped them off at the post office. It was all like postage paid and everything. And then a couple days later, they shipped them back completely sharp. We've been using them for a couple weeks now, and I'm so excited to be doing all my little sous vide recipes with them. So this week I'm doing a giveaway with KnifeAid, and I'm offering my new sous vide cookbook that just came out March 2020. And along with winning a sous vide cookbook, you're also going to potentially win a knife sharpening package by KnifeAid. And again, that's for 4 knives, and I love how awesome their system is. It was so easy to send them in. They came right back to me, and I love having really sharp knives in the kitchen. They say there's nothing as bad as a dull knife. Apparently, those aren't very safe either. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about KnifeAid, and you can enter this contest to win the package for the KnifeAid sharpening kit and for my sous vide cookbook that just came out. I think you never really understand how dull your knives are until they come back as sharp as they will from KnifeAid. So anyways, you'll see how to enter this contest if you go to my Instagram account, which is at SipBiteGo. Again, that's at SipBiteGo. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!